Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. How many lanes are there in America? They add one every single year. It's almost as if the Prius was trying to hit him. I guess the wind was really strong that day. I love BMW drivers.
A few moments later.
Wait, it can't be? A turn signal? Comment below how expensive gas is where you live. There's no audio for this clip, but it must have been very loud. Be careful when it snows out there. I wait until the last 2 seconds before I commit to an exit. I hope that's her boyfriend chasing her and not some random dude risking his life here. Notice how she's on her phone. Her crush must have sent her a Snapchat. Never mind. Get ready for this one.
One eternity later.
Hey, laugh.
A few moments later.
I feel bad for the oncoming drivers.
Oh, you must be joking. Fuck's sake, you just made a jam because you wanna piss? Fuck's sake, services.
People make mistakes. Luckily, no one was hurt here. I cannot miss my turn. Where did this guy just come from? This was strange.
A few moments later.
Is it just me, or were people behind this driver speeding? I will not miss my turn. That turn is mine.
Yeah, and like you can literally see, like, because they do successive photos of all the angles.
Oh,
and
really?
you can literally see my bike moving backwards through the intersection.
Yeah. That's hilarious.
Yeah.
So you still have your bike?
I don't-
Whoa! Holy, what is that?
It's gonna kill some pedestrians.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jesus.
It's gonna bonk them.
Should have honked.
California drivers. This guy is crazy. A speeding truck. It's okay, though it only weighs a few tons. Was that drift on purpose? I hope not. The equivalent of a Prius, right?
Log file.
What the?
Turn right to go left. I have a lot of questions here. Has this ever happened to you? Is this normal in Russia? Good job by the driver on avoiding that collision. Now this is a battle between the both insurance companies of these drivers. I wonder what must have happened here.
"12 seconds later."
A young driver made a mistake. Perhaps the driver overreacted a bit.
What are you doing? Go. Just turn right in front of me. You stupid.
That was mean. Was she on her phone? What was she doing? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.